My name's Jeff Christensen. I'm a branch manager for Green Line Hose and Fittings, Langley. Coming to Green Line Langley, we're extremely proud of our counter sales, our display area, the build that we have, the build quality that we have.
Whether it's speed, the turnover time of getting something done, walk in, first come, first serve, we help you right there. We get it out the door, 5 minutes usually, maybe 10 if it's a big hose or something like that.
The first impression when you walk into our location is how bright and airy it is, how clean, how well set up it is, how efficient the employees are coming to help you, the knowledge the staff has and has gained over the years.